For decades, success had one universal symbol: a Mercedes. If you became a CEO, a celebrity, or made your first million, you bought the three-pointed star. But something strange has happened. The world's wealthiest people are quietly walking away. Not because Mercedes became bad, because luxury itself has changed. And once you understand why, you'll never look at expensive cars the same way again. Mercedes spent nearly a century becoming the definition of success. It wasn't just transportation, it was a public announcement. I've made it. But every luxury brand faces the same problem. Eventually, everyone can recognize it. When executives, influencers, athletes, rental companies, and airport chauffeur services all drive the same badge, it stops feeling exclusive. Real luxury has one rule: the moment everyone notices it, it stops being luxury. Here's what most people misunderstand. Billionaires don't buy cars to impress strangers. They buy cars that signal something only other wealthy people understand. It's called quiet luxury. Instead of chasing attention, they chase confidence. That's why you'll often see billionaires driving a Porsche GT3, a Lexus LX, a Land Cruiser, a Range Rover, even a Toyota Century. Not because they're cheaper, because they don't need to prove anything. The badge becomes less important than what it says about the owner. Here's the surprising part. Mercedes didn't lose because its cars became worse. In many ways, they're better than ever. More technology, more power, more luxury. The problem is perception. When every model has giant illuminated grilles, massive digital screens, and ambient lighting bright enough to light a nightclub, luxury starts feeling loud. Meanwhile, brands like Porsche, Rolls-Royce, and even Lexus are selling something different: restraint. Today's ultra-rich don't compete over horsepower, they compete over taste. Anyone can finance an expensive car. Very few people know which expensive car actually earns respect. That's why a Toyota Land Cruiser parked outside a private ranch can say more about wealth than an S-Class parked outside a shopping mall. The richest buyers increasingly choose cars with stories, reliability, engineering, heritage, scarcity, authenticity, not just price tags. So, are billionaires really abandoning Mercedes? Not completely. Mercedes will always build incredible automobiles. But the biggest luxury trend of this decade isn't buying a more expensive car. It's buying a car that doesn't need to announce how expensive it is. Because real wealth has changed. It whispers, it doesn't shout. So here's the question. If money were no object, would you still choose a Mercedes, or would you buy the car that only other enthusiasts truly understand? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy luxury cars explained through psychology, business, and engineering, not just specifications, subscribe to Grand Throttle.